In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a DocuSign envelope ID. If you need to reference a specific DocuSign transaction for tracking, support, or internal documentation, the envelope ID is one of the most important details to locate. The good news is that it's very easy to find once you know where to look. To get started, open DocuSign and go to your main home screen. From there, look for the Agreements section and click on it. This is where you'll find the documents and envelopes associated with your account. Once you're in Agreements, choose the document you want to check. Make sure you open the correct one, especially if you're working with several files that may have similar names. Taking a moment here can help avoid confusion later. After selecting the document, click on Details to open the document information page. This section gives you a fuller view of the document's data and is usually the fastest place to find the envelope ID without opening the file itself. On the Details page, you'll see information related to that document, including the envelope ID. This is the unique identifier tied to that DocuSign envelope. If your goal is simply to retrieve the ID, you can stop here once you've found it. You may also have the option to copy the ID directly. If so, use that copy function to avoid mistakes from manually typing a long string of characters. That's especially helpful if you need to paste it into a ticket, spreadsheet, CRM, or message. There's also another way to verify the envelope ID directly on the document. On the right side of the page, click the Document Preview. This opens a preview of the actual file so you can inspect the document itself. Once you click the preview, the document will load. Give it a moment if needed, especially if the file is large or your internet connection is slower than usual. When the preview appears, look toward the top area of the document view. You should see the DocuSign envelope ID displayed above. This gives you a second way to confirm that you're looking at the correct envelope, which can be useful when you want extra certainty. And that's it. You can find the DocuSign envelope ID either from the Details section or by checking the document preview. Both methods are simple, and knowing both can save time depending on what screen you're already on. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly locate the information you need in DocuSign.